Now you're actually seeing a split screen as far as the Sensex is concerned. 51,491 for the Sensex at the moment. There was a gap up opening. The markets have seen the global cues and they are following all of those as well as far as the benchmarks are concerned. 142 points up for the Sensex, 51,491. Now it's extended to 51,514. So 0.32% of an uptick for the Sensex. Remember that they have already touched a high of 51,575. There's a slight bit of volatility right now in the markets. A whole lot of IT stocks now participating in the rally today. HCL Technologies, remember there was a whole sentiment booster by the bonus news that actually came in for the employees all across the world. That has actually led to a whole lot of hopes also for the other IT majors like Infosys and TCS as well. Both of them also trading in the green at the moment. Reliance Industries is supporting the markets at the moment. Maruti Suzuki, Hindustan Unilever, Ultratech Cement and Tech Mahindra as well from the IT space, up about 1.5% in trade. Titan has been consistently performing, and ONGC too has been among the top gainers of the equity benchmarks for the last 5 or 6 trading sessions, obviously buoyed by the crude oil sentiment. What's not performing right now are the banks. So there's a bit of a profit taking that you're actually seeing on the Nifty Bank and on the banking sector as a whole. State Bank of India down 1.25%, 1% downtick for the Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Twins basically, and finance, both of them down about 1% in trade. Kotak Mahindra Bank down about 0.77%. IndusInd Bank also down about 0.5% in trade. So a whole lot of banking stocks are not performing in the rally right now. Bajaj, Auto, ITC, also L&T, all of these stocks as well, not performing right now, and they are trading mildly in the red at the moment. Quickly move on to how the NSE and the Nifty is trading. 15,160 for the Nifty at the moment. Early trade, gap up opening again. But there is a small bit of volatility that we are seeing. So there could be some signs. Remember, this has been the 7th straight day of gap up opening and performance of the markets in the green right after the budget announcement on last Monday. And so far, we have been seeing a whole lot of sentiment booster from the announcements that actually came out from the budget and then from the RBI's status quo policy as well. But now you are actually seeing some signs of profit booking as far as even the broader markets are concerned. If the mid cap 100 and the small cap index both are just performing mildly in the red right now, some profit booking over there. If you see, the screen is not very one-sided at the moment. The Nifty is also in favor of the advances right now, but just 31 advances to 19 declines at the moment. Wipro, IOC, BPCI, UPL, and Infosys, all of them up about 1.5 to 2.5% up in trade to top Nifty gainers at the moment. However, the losers include names like Tata Motors, State Bank of India, M&M, Axis Bank, and JSW Steel. Onto the sectoral indices, and you will see Nifty Bank topping the chart right now as far as the weakness is concerned, including the PSU banking index that's contributing to the fall in the banking index right now. So you are able to see some bit of downtick even coming in from the private banking space. So it's the Nifty Bank that is actually not participating in the run that we are seeing, or in the green ticks that we are seeing on the Nifty and the benchmark indices. Auto is mildly in the green right now. FMCG and IT index is really performing. And in today's trading session, remember we have been talking since yesterday that over the last 5 or 6 trading sessions during the kind of budget announcements and the budget push that the markets really got, it was the IT index that has not really performed so far. So now it is doing a bit of a catching up, and IT index is up about 1.3% up in trade right now. So this is as far as the market opening is concerned. We'll keep getting you all the updates throughout the market trading session. Onto the next show. First, stick with us. There'll be Mazhar Muhammad, technical expert, who will share with us his investment strategy for investors as well as the stock recommendations. So do tune in for that as well on Money9.